Today we're installing a prop protector. I've got the hard plastic ones already installed around most of the propellers. I'm also going to add a ring of piano wire on the outside perimeter of that. But I'll go through this last one as an example. It's a two-part protector. Slide it on the bottom, and then the clip installs on top of that, snaps in place, and then remove the dust guard, install your prop. Probably not going to be able to do this with one hand. Well, maybe I can. Oh. No, it actually worked. Okay. So that finishes all the standard factory prop guards. And here's the piano wire. I've already started it. And around each one I put a zip tie to hold it in place. And I think I'm going to come back and do a double so it doesn't accidentally get misplaced and move out of its location. And I'll install this one here, wrap it around, and at the joint I'll install this crimp. It's just a bare non-insulated crimp. Put it on one side, then join it with the other and crimp it. I'll come back to that in just a second once I've completed it. Okay, all done. Have the perimeter band installed, and I'll show you the crimp. Here's where I crimped it. It'll focus on it. And when you crimp it, crimp it like over here, and then rotate the whole thing around to a place you can put a zip tie on each side of it. That way you got the whole system pretty firm. I'm not that good of a indoor flyer, and busting props got to be kind of old, so I just add a little extra protection. When it drifts, it seems like it likes to drift off to one side. I'm not quick enough in reaction to get it back, and it hits something, and these props will shatter like glass as fast as they're going and hitting a hard object. Okay, that's 1/2 millimeter piano wire, 0.5. If I had to do again, I might go to a full millimeter, but it seems to be strong enough to kind of resistant, and it's not going to bend. The piano wire is like a spring. It's not easily bent. Actually kind of tough to cut. Okay, good luck on yours.